Hello again, welcome back. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please hit that like button, subscribe, share the video with someone else you think would enjoy it. All of that really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 104. And let's just finish this row here. We've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing a 4. And for this column, 1, 2, we're missing a 3. So if we look at this box then, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so 1. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. And I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here. So 2, 6, a 3 here. So 2, 6. That means our 3 has to be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here. So 2, 9, a 6 here. 2, 9. That means that our 6 has to be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box then, we're missing a 4 and a 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6 and 4. For this box then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7, 8 here. So 9, a 7 here. So 8 and 7. If we look at this row then, we're missing a 2 and a 5. We've got a 5 here. So 2, 5. For this box then, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 3, a 1 here, and a 3 here. So that makes this our 9. That one makes this our 3 and our 1. That 9 makes this our 2 and 9. If we look at this box then, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 1 and 4 here, so it's our 5. And I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 there. So 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 there. So 2, 9. That 2 makes this our 6 and 2. If we do this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box, we're missing a 1 and a 7. We've got a 1 there, so 7, 1. So we're left with these that again we can just fill in however. So if we make that a 4, that's our 1, 4, and 1. And there we go. That was today's puzzle. Thank you again for joining me. I hope you have a very good day, and please come back tomorrow for our next puzzle.